All right, this is day 5 from Morelia. This is the first hot stage. It's section 2. My name is like La Cascada. Car number 317, 2018, La Carrera Panamericana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rally. Right 0 with water. Flat left 1. Left 0. Right 1 and left 2 with cliff and right 2 long, flat left 1, 600. Flat right 1, right 0, then left 1, then left 2 with cliff, then right 1, left 2 cliff, right 1, flat left, then right 1, left, and left 2 long, cliff.
Whoa.
Slow it down. Slow it down. Okay.
Okay.
Right 0 and a dip. And a left 2, cliff. Dip. Right 1 with dip. Left 0. Right 0, dip. Left 0. Right 0. Then left 2, long. Then flat left. Flat right 0.
Left 0.
Then flat left 0. Right 2 with dip and water. Then right 0. Left 1. Right 2 and left 1 long double. Right 2. Left 2 short. Then flat right, then left 0. Right 0 with dip. Left 0 with dip. Right 3. Repeat 3 and left 1. Right short with dip and right 2 dip and left 1 long.
Got slippery all of a sudden.
Yep. Right 0. Left 2 long. Then right. Right 2 long. Left 2, then dip, right 1 and left 0, right over dip, right short and left 3 long. Repeat, left 3 long, cliff. Right 0, right 2, left short, then right 0, then left 1, short, then right short, dip, left 2, very long. Repeat, left 2, very long. Flat right 1 coming. There it is, flat right 1. Flat right 1 long, double. Flat left 1. Right 1 long with dip, tightens. Flat left 1. Left 2. Flat left 0. Flat right 1.
Whoa.
Ooh. Flat left and flat right with dip. Flat right 1. Flat left 1 long, cliff. Flat right 0, dip. Flat left 0. Flat right 0. Caution, left 0, then slippy, right 2. Repeat, left 0. Caution, right 2, slippy, cliff. Left 1 long, cliff. 6 to finish. Flat right 0. Flat right 0 and flat left short and flat right 0. Flat right 0 and flat left 0 and flat right 0.
Whoa.
Whoa. Left 0 and left 3, cliff. Easy. Bring it home. Left short and right 2. Flat right 0. Flat left 0. Right 0 short and left 2. Repeat, 2. Another left 2. It is slippy. Right 2 long. Remember, just tiptoe. Left 1 cliff. Left short, then right 2 long. Double. Tires are going away. Flat left 0. Flat right 0. Right short and left 2. Right 0. Left 2, dip. Right 1 with water. Flat left 0, flat right 0. Flat right 1, left 1. Flat left 0, then right 0. Then left 2 short. then left 2. Right 2 long. Flat left 1. Flat right 1. Left 1. Right 2. Repeat left 1, then right 2. Flat left 0, 100. Then a left 3. Repeat left 3. Right 1. Left 2 long. Almost to the finish. Left 2 long. Then right 2 with dip. Flat right 0. Then boogie to the finish. Flat out. Okay. And then we go about 300 meters to the control. There's the Beetle.
Okay.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that was pretty slippery.
That was a little sketchy there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did
I mean,
good.
the flats and the zeros I couldn't do because if it slid, I was screwed.
Yeah.
And sometimes there was water, and sometimes there wasn't.
Gracias. All right, keep our helmets on for this one. Stand by. Okay, we're there. Muchas gracias. All right. Okay, away we go.
Well, I never saw the car from behind us. Oh, there it comes.
Okay.